Good morning, October 29th. Today is a special day. It would be my sister's birthday. It has now been a year and a half since she has passed, so today's walk is dedicated to her. And these mushrooms are dedicated to her. And these are fresh. Let's go. Not a bad start. Look at the size of these. Like, this is easily a pound right here. They're so heavy. It's phenomenal. Phenomenal. Dun, 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 dun. So I was here 3 days ago, and nobody has been in. A little loose, I don't like that. Ooh. Yeah, you'll stay. But yeah, we have had a lot of pickers out and about this last weekend, and that's number 2. That's going to be number 3 by tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going back to the hour drive to the buyer, because the buyer locally he wanted 500 pounds and he got 500 pounds in 2 days. So, and my dad and I contributed close to 110 pounds, I believe, if I'm thinking correctly on numbers. So today I'm hoping to get, I'd love to get 30 pounds, but I don't think I'm going to get 30 pounds today. But I'll show you what I have total. Not bad, not bad. So a lot of my walk is slow walk, and I'm looking like this, looking for odd things. I'm walking this way, and so what I'm seeing is this stick. There's a gap in here, and there's a mushroom pushing that stick away. There could be little ones under there, but I'm not into that. I got to get to one of my locations, because I think there's some people in it. Oh, this is stubborn. Little by little. Big fat bottom. You're okay. One more for the bag.